This kind of Doppler effect, like when something is passing by and the tone is changing. And this is like, visually, this is just like the matter of perspective, but in sound, this is like somehow changing the pitch. I am like personally avoiding those 4 lines streets if possible. Like
It's useless. I mean, you can use traffic, of course, to know where the cars are.
yeah.
But there could be other ways. So
It depends, because if you have sound, gives you a spatial dimension as well. And
that's why I like electric cars. They are quiet. They don't make too much
Noise, so, and like I am already imagining like how would it be if there is like a city surrounding only like with these electric cars.
as soon as I went outside, I think my steps on the snow, I think it was the first thing. I think when it's snowing, I look at my feet while walking, because I really like the sound of the snow. And you have your rhythm while you're walking. So if you have your rhythm while you're walking, anything that happens around will fit in there.
I would say yes, and it's easier to follow techno rhythm than jazz rhythm. Like this urban environment somehow relates more like this kind of techno atmosphere for me. And this is my personal choice to follow. And like the more towards city center I get, the more louder it gets. We have had like these new trams, like these orange trams, like for some years now. But I do remember when they first appeared, like they are making some kind of weird whistle sound.
Sometimes I play with the sounds and I sing with them, but I think they have like a very, like they're very loud and they have a very distinctive pitch, and you know that they're new. Gives you a rhythm of the city, like every sound. When I'm at home and I hear the tram, I'm like, it's the first tram, because it's like 5 in the morning, or I'm walking home at 5 in the morning.
Noise. It's like when different elements are playing at the same time, in organized or in unorganized way. But even though I find this structure like quite easily, and then some kind of ding and ding, but now it's like so smooth but annoyingly like rich and flat. Well, do you know like these in industrial areas where they have like this big electricity, like this gray and the drone that those small houses are creating? Like this is something that I all the time notice. You can really hear this electricity flow, which is really weird because you cannot see how electricity is moving, but time to time you can hear. So that is something that fascinates me.